Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover music with iTunes step by step clearly. To begin, open iTunes on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your Apple ID. Connect your device to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, select your device icon in the upper left corner of the iTunes window. Navigate to the Music tab from the sidebar. Check the box that says Sync Music. Choose whether to sync your entire music library or selected playlists, artists, albums, and genres. If you're recovering music, select the playlists or items you wish to restore. Click the Apply button in the lower right corner to begin syncing. Wait for the syncing process to complete. After syncing, disconnect your device safely from the computer. Now, open the Music app on your device. Check the library to see if the music has been recovered successfully. If you need to recover purchased music, return to iTunes. In the menu bar, click on Account. Select Purchased from the drop-down menu. Scroll through your purchased music to find any missing tracks. Click the Download button next to the songs you want to recover. Once downloaded, check your iTunes library. Your recovered music should now appear in your library. You can now enjoy your music on your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.